Mintable and OpenSea are leading NFT marketplaces, but they cater to different needs. OpenSea, acquired by Coinbase, dominates the market with a vast selection of NFTs and advanced trading tools like OpenSea Pro, which features AI-driven analytics. It's best for experienced traders seeking high liquidity. Mintable focuses on simplicity and creator accessibility with its Mintable Creator Studio, a no-code tool for artists. It excels in low-cost minting, making it ideal for beginners and smaller creators. In summary, OpenSea offers advanced features and high liquidity for experienced users, while Mintable provides simple, low-cost tools for beginners and creators. OpenSea charges a 2.5% service fee on sales plus gas fees, which can be high on Ethereum. Mintable has gasless minting with fees paid in mint tokens or fiat, and a 5% platform fee on primary sales and 2.5% on secondary sales, often 50 to 70% cheaper for smaller transactions. Both enforce royalties, but Mintable mandates them on its platform, while OpenSea requires collection owners to opt in. OpenSea has a steeper learning curve, while Mintable emphasizes ease of use with drag-and-drop minting and mobile apps. Choose Mintable for quick, low-cost minting and OpenSea for diverse NFTs and features.